Hey everyone, welcome back again to my video. Okay, so now welcome. Okay, so now I want to just to give another new material actually. Yeah. So today I want to show you guys how to actually to create a virtual machine, yeah, especially in cloud. Okay, and I will use GCP, okay, or Google Cloud Platform. Yeah, if you don't know, and it's fine. Okay, I will show you from the basic one. But if you already know, that's good. Okay. And yeah, so what is virtual machine? Actually, it's like our computer or laptop here, okay, using like Windows, Mac, or maybe Linux, yeah. But we will use the virtual machine, which is it will run from the cloud, or maybe if you are using like like virtual box, like from virtual machine, something like that. Yeah. Okay. So now let's just get started. Okay, just get ready, guys. Okay. So yeah. Here I am. Okay, I already create an account actually, yeah, in GCP. Okay, I already have an account and I already have a project. Okay, maybe I will not show you from the scratch here, but I think it's easier for you to just sign up and create your first project. But okay, but maybe I will create another tutorial for it, yeah, later. Now let's get it. Let's get started. Yeah. You can go to the here actually, yeah, to the best home menu, yeah, from here. Okay, and here you can just click this button, okay, navigation menu, okay, and just choose the compute engine here, okay, which is compute engine is for the virtual machine, yeah, in GCP. Okay, as you can see here, okay, so many things. Okay, I know maybe sometimes it can be overwhelming, yeah, maybe for you to see like there's so many options here and you don't know about anything, but let's just follow me in here. Okay, I'll click this create instance, yeah. Okay, so we'll create a virtual machine actually. Okay, for the name, okay, I will just give it like anything, yeah, that you want. Okay, I will just put it like instance one here. Then for the region, you can choose anything that you want. Yeah, maybe I'll choose like, because like the nearest with me, which is the Asia Southeast 2 or Jakarta, yeah. And then I will choose the zone. Actually there is like there are three, yeah, A, B, C. Okay, and it's not really much different, yeah. Actually you can choose whatever you want. Then for the machine configuration, okay, just just choose the general purpose here. Okay, and then just choose the share core and then choose the add to micro. Okay, which is just choose like the cheapest one, yeah, because we want only to try it. Okay, so like make sure you don't waste your money, yeah, of course, yeah. Okay, so I will choose the add to micro here, which is the lowest spec, yeah, that you can get here. Okay, and then for the VM provisioning model, just choose standard. Okay, make it default like this. And for the boot disk, yeah, you can change it actually here. Okay, I will choose Ubuntu. Okay, because like I'm using Ubuntu. Okay, and that's why I want this only Ubuntu. Okay. Okay, you just make a default like this. Okay, just select. Okay, so we will create a Ubuntu, yeah, and then I think we can just create it. Okay, like this. Okay, we just want to make a simple virtual machine here, or this is name compute engine, yeah, in GCP. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay, can check in the progress here. Yeah, actually, yeah, it's like taking like few seconds maybe, or minutes, I don't know. Yeah, just let's wait. Okay, and you can actually refresh. So okay, so that's already okay. So now we already successfully create a virtual machine, which is name instance one, yeah, and in zone Asia Southeast 2. Okay, which is the nearest region with mine now. Okay, so actually you just can log in to the virtual machine by using SSH, yeah. Okay, let's just wait. Think, yeah, it's somewhere. Basically, yeah, what SSH do, yeah, I think it will like you can connect to the virtual machine, like you can connect to the virtual machine from your local PC or local computer right now, like you do. So here we already connect to the instance one here, yeah. It means that we already successfully create a virtual machine, yeah, and it's already done. Okay, maybe the first thing that I always to do is to type sudo apt update, yeah. Basically it will update like all the package, like from the Ubuntu, yeah, to the latest version, yeah. So that's the thing that you want to do, yeah. Okay, so I think that's all that I can show with you guys. Okay, hopefully it will becomes really, yeah, useful for you guys. So thank you so much everyone. See you in the next video. Okay.